Here, if they'll ask you, give relationship between enthalpy and first law of thermodynamics. They may ask you 2 mark question, enthalpy and first law of thermodynamics, or they may ask you derive delta H equals to Q. They'll ask you delta H equals to, then we'll write down this first. For a given process, according to definition of enthalpy, rewrite this H equals to U plus P, where H is enthalpy, U and PV is the product of pressure, volume, energy. Correct or not? We know this. This definition has been given to us. Correct? Now for a process. For a process, if change in all state functions is considered, suppose change in all state functions if you are going to consider, that means delta H equals to delta U plus delta P. Delta H equals to delta U plus delta P. Correct or not? And the students who are from mathematics, they know about this. Biology students. In fact, you learned about this in physics semester 1. So let me show it to you. You know about this differentiation of 2 quantities, let's say variable quantities A and B with respect to time t. d by dt of A into B is written as A times dB by dt plus B times dA by dt. Correct or not? You have learned this formula. Actually, differentiation and the change both are same. When we talk about differentiation is respect to time. Quantity A or quantity B is changing. And here delta, it also talks about same. As the process continues, change in enthalpy, change in internal energy, change in pressure and volume, both are same. So when we are going to talk about the delta PV, we are going to use the same principle. And I may write like this: delta H equals to delta U plus P delta V plus V delta V. Are you following? Okay. Keep the first quantity constant and then take the change of the second. Now keep the second constant and take the change of the first. Is it? Okay. We also know most of the process take place at open atmospheric process. Open atmosphere. In short, pressure equal to 1 bar. In another way, there is no change in pressure. That means delta P equals to 0. If delta P equals to 0, that means this terms becomes 0. So if you are going to use this, therefore delta H equals to delta U plus P delta V. This is very, very important relationship. We are going to use it. And lots of this. If I say this is number 1, I'm going to give it a second. We'll continue further. Now, suppose not this, I'm sorry about that. Now we know delta U equals to Q minus P delta V. Yes or no? Substituting this, where we are substituting? In this formula, not this, in this formula. Delta equal to delta U plus P delta. If we substitute the value of delta U, if we substitute the value of delta U, okay, then what are you going to get? Delta H equals to, instead of delta U, what we are going to write down? Q minus P delta, and we already had another delta P delta V plus P delta V minus P delta V plus P delta V gets cancelled. Therefore, delta H equals to Q, but at constant pressure, because this reaction was taking place at constant pressure. Q equals to V, right? QP. Therefore, delta H equals to QP. Am I right? Are you following this? This is what we wanted to derive. यही तो derive करना था ना आपको. Yes sir? That's it. Before you write, just give me 1 minute.